moves away from one sweetly. Line for Jamaica College. Oh, trying to hold on for dear life. One, brilliantly done. I thought. Two for dead. Lyle for Jamaica College, over dribbling. Loses the handle, but won it back. To the outside. Standing on the ball, though its shirt's being tugged. Mr. Lyle. He is diminutive but strong. Lyle for JC. Puts it on the right. Brilliant try by Lyle. A shot by Lyle. And deflected on. Cuts it back and he falls over. Was trying to handle the ball. Clean. Jamaica College. Lyle picks it up for JC. Inside his own half. Howell. Lyle. Aiken. That's Sims. Throws the ball inside the penalty. Issa Burger King on the 16 football final. Lyle going wide up. Lyle is there recovering for JC. Swings the play towards goal. Over the outstretched. Lyle. Chips it over the head of Did and gets it back. Oh my word. Pulls it. No. Lyle. Oh, goes by two. Still Lyle. He rolls it. Top of the penalty area. It's on the left. Looking for Lyle. Lyle controls inside the center circle. And he moves smoothly. Still Lyle for Jamaica College. Surrounded by three. He turns. Still Lyle. Lay on. Lyle. Have to pick up our production team, but also had to pick up Burger King. Taste moves their way. Brilliant by Lyle. Oh, he danced past one. She decided to put that header. Oh, that's beautiful. By 1-0. Lyle. One touch has brought in Howell. Same. For Lyle. The JC players down. He's taking his sweet time to get up though. Not paying any mind on him. That looks like Campbell. Picks it up for JC. Back for Lyle. Finds Lyle. Goes forward. Still Lyle. Scrolling pass on the right. Brilliantly done by Lyle. Senior back to Lyle on the right hand side. Still Lyle. Turning beautifully. Oh, he goes. He's